Hello friends of How to Grow. Today I will show you how you can grow your own tomatoes, indoor and outdoor, starting from seeds. I really hope that this video has been useful and you will be able to grow your own tomatoes indoor. If you find yourself with more doubts or you have questions to ask me, just pop a comment down below. And if you want to keep up with the other How to Grow series, you can subscribe to the channel clicking on the nice orange icon here in the corner, and you can always add us on Instagram on How to Grow from Seeds. See you soon.